Hey everybody, just thought I'd show you our new reno. We just bought this place last week and we're about to start the reno on it. This is a little post-war iron roof with hardwood on stumps, 3 bed, 1 bath. I'm just gonna strip it, fix it up, make it in 3 and 2 and open it all up inside. It'll look pretty good. This one was a pretty quick purchase. Real estate friend of mine rang up and said, I got one, might suit you. It's really an old wreck and needs a lot of work. Buy it and do it up. So the bonus has got a garage here at the back. Inside's a bit of a demo happening at the moment. Shell stripped it out already. Where the kitchen goes, this is the old stove, be a pantry. So that's a sunroom, you know, with a Coolite roof. I'm gonna open this wall up and make that into a dining room. And that'll be lounge, living, and then in here, stripped all these walls out to create the main bath. And then this will be another bedroom and that'll have an ensuite. So there'll be a 1, 2, 3 beds, 2 baths, 1 there and 1 over there. Other than that, we don't want to do too much with these houses. This is a different suburb. This is an upmarket suburb selling 1.5 plus. Totally different renovation, right? So, but this one here is a cheap suburb. It's a lower demographic. You know, it'll cap out in the mid-8s, maybe a bit more. So you just don't want to over-capitalise, so we just do the bare minimums. Make it look pretty, but don't go overboard, so we keep the margin. Generally, I know the prices now. I know how much things cost, so we scope it out, add the budget to it, from the sale price work back, and then come up with the price that we can pay for it, right? And this one worked out. Anyway, that's it. This is the next one. This will probably shut shop in a couple of weeks. We'll probably have all this demo done and maybe a little bit of a rough in, because straight after demo we'll do the rough in, put all the pipe work up, you know, a bit of electrical. So keep you updated.